How to insert vertical line in Word. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up the steps. So for that, first of all, open up your Word document. You need to open up your Word document in which you would like to insert a vertical line. And once you've selected the Word document, from the top, look for Insert option from the menu and look for the option of Shapes and drop it down. After that, select up a line, for example, this one right here, and you may place it. So you will be getting this plus icon. So all you gotta do is simply go ahead and select up the line, and you may just drag and drop it. So just right click shift and drop it down like this, and then you should be finding a line like this available. Now you can use your mouse in order to stretch it out until you reach to the end or wherever distance you prefer. So you just need to go ahead and place it like this and place it like this, and there you go. Your vertical line is available like this right here. So you may also follow up the same process. Apart from that, we have different options available for your vertical line. So you may just go ahead and look out for that. You may go ahead and right click on your vertical line and look for these options here, which will give you options like layout options. You may also fix the position on the base if you prefer, or click on see more and open up more settings like your position, your text wrapping, and your size. After that, click on OK once you apply up the changes that you are okay with. And there you go. This is how you basically do it. So you may also follow the same process in order to set up a vertical line in Word document. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another one.